Okay, and next up I have Problem Addict. So I was looking for a resource that would help with developing kind of some assessment questions, particularly more like end of course or state assessment type questions. This allows you to make a document actually, and then that document can be imported. There are different question banks that you can use from, so that was kind of my reasoning there. So this is more geared towards educators and looking for questions or assessments that really relate to the content and or the standards. So this just gives you a little welcome. It is free, but some of the standards or additional thing require a school subscription. So your school might already have that. You have My Database, which is where your documents are that you have created. And you can favorite problems. You can look at searching by topic. So if we search by biology, microbiology, it comes up with Regents exams or state assessments like microbiology. Here it lets you move up or down to the bottom of the page. You can see several different questions. Let's say we like this one. We can add these questions. And if we keep scrolling up to the top of the page, we'll see that we've got 6 problems now because I had already started in this biology review document here. And you can always create a new one and title it whatever you want. You can then take those 6 questions and arrange them however you would like. It kind of puts the numbers there, and you can zoom in then on the question to see. You can format however you want. You can include answer keys, 1 column, answer spaces, a header, just kind of puts everything in there, font, multiple choice, if you want parts or problems, if that's more math, page setup overall, if you want it on a larger size paper or margins, and you can make it a PDF. So we didn't change any of the formatting, I just left the original, but once you make it a PDF, you can download it or hit share with students, and it will create a link, or it can go into your Google Classrooms here, and you can select a classroom. Those of us are pretty much using Classroom, and hit go, and it will import there. So I'll just do biology here, and we can create an assignment or material. We'll go assignment, and boom, it'll have a link to the PDF, whatever else I want to put in there. So that is a really neat feature. It allows you to export or score in the subscribe option. So yet again, kind of another paid version, but you don't really need that part. This I just thought was like cool to have the question banks based on assessments in particular. So there we go. Thanks for listening.